Welcome to Section 2, DeFi in Action. This section will take you on a deep dive into all major DeFi use cases, including borrowing and lending, decentralized exchanges, automated market makers, and yield farming. In Module 2.1, we'll provide a detailed overview of stablecoins, explain how they work, and underscore their crucial role in DeFi. Why do we need stablecoins? Well, the prices of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies can be volatile. Volatility makes it challenging to use cryptocurrencies for real-world transactions. For example, imagine you pay $5 in Bitcoin for a coffee, but find your Bitcoin is worth $10 a few days later. That will likely make you less willing to use Bitcoin to buy stuff. Price volatility may also create problems for crypto investors and traders, as they often have to convert between crypto and fiat currencies to lock in profits or adjust their portfolio holdings. Stablecoins can help avoid such problems by providing a stable price anchor within the DeFi and crypto markets. Stablecoins are digital assets designed to track the value of other assets, typically fiat currencies like the dollar or euro. As such, stablecoins can offer traders, investors, and merchants the option to avoid market volatility and potentially drastic price swings. The demand for stablecoins is massive. The total market capitalization of stablecoins reached nearly $200 billion at the peak in early 2022 and is expected to continue growing. So, how do stablecoins work? Creating a coin that tracks another asset's price requires a pegging mechanism, which should ensure that one unit of the stablecoin holds the same value as the asset it's tracking. Stablecoins that are backed by the dollar or other fiat currencies are called fiat-backed stablecoins. Other models include crypto-backed, commodity-backed, and algorithmic stablecoins. Fiat-backed stablecoins maintain reserves of fiat currencies like the US dollar to support the stablecoin's value. For instance, each USDC is purportedly backed by one US dollar held in reserve as collateral. Users have the flexibility to convert between fiat currency and USDC at any time at the one-to-one pegged exchange rate. What happens when USDC prices drift away from the pegged price? The market generally steps in to correct it. For instance, if USDC trades above $1, arbitrageurs will detect this and sell their USDC to exploit the price differential, thereby boosting the supply of USDC and reducing its price towards the $1 peg. The reverse is true if USDC trades below $1. This mechanism generally maintains a reasonably stable peg. Crypto-backed stablecoins work in a similar way, but instead of using fiat currencies as reserves, they use crypto as collateral. But we just said crypto prices are volatile. How can crypto be used as collateral for stablecoins? Let's look at MakerDAO to understand how crypto-backed stablecoins work. Minting and burning the stablecoin DAI is a decentralized and automated process. Any user can deposit crypto collateral to the MakerDAO protocol to mint DI stablecoins. When users return or burn their DI stablecoins, they unlock and take back their crypto collateral. All these are done via smart contracts. This minting and burning of DAI follows one important rule: over-collateralization. This is to account for crypto's volatile prices and give the peg extra buffer. Let's say MakerDAO sets a liquidation ratio at 1.5, which means you would need to lock up $150 worth of crypto to generate $100 worth of DAI. If the value of the collateral falls below this ratio, the collateral might be liquidated to cover the position and help stabilize the peg. On top of this, MakerDAO charges users fees to unlock their collateral. These stability fees are adjusted to influence the cost of borrowing DAI and consequently DAI's supply. Additionally, MakerDAO offers a savings rate to DAI holders who lock their DAI. This incentivizes users to hold DAI even when its price is under the peg. Adjusting the savings rate can also influence demand and help maintain DAI's peg. Commodity-backed stablecoins have their value pegged to the price of a commodity, like gold, silver, or even a basket of goods. Their pegging mechanism works similarly to fiat-backed stablecoins, but instead of using fiat currencies as collateral, they use commodities. Algorithmic stablecoins are an entirely different class of stablecoins that aim to maintain a stable value by using algorithmic mechanisms to manage the supply of the stablecoins rather than relying on fiat currencies, cryptocurrencies, or commodities. Algorithmic stablecoins can be designed in different ways, but they typically target $1 as their desired stable value. The algorithm closely monitors the stablecoin market price and adjusts its supply whenever it deviates from the target. For instance, if the price rises above target in times of higher demand, the algorithm expands the stablecoin supply by minting new tokens and distributing them to users. This process incentivizes participants to sell, bringing the price down. Conversely, when the market price falls below the target, the algorithm burns tokens, reducing the overall supply. This aims to maintain the stablecoin's price as close to the target as possible. It's worth noting that each stablecoin is designed by a different team with a different pegging model. While some are considered riskier than others, they all carry a certain degree of risk. In particular, algorithmic stablecoins carry unique risks, including the death spiral risk, where falling prices cause a fall in demand, leading to further price drops, from which recovery can be very difficult. Historically, there were multiple algorithmic stablecoins that failed to keep their peg. Although generally less risky than algorithmic stablecoins, fiat and crypto-backed stablecoins may also lose their peg if not designed properly. Stablecoins play many crucial roles within the DeFi ecosystem. They can provide stability in the volatile crypto market as a medium of exchange and store of value within DeFi platforms. Stablecoins also enhance liquidity in DeFi, which is essential for efficient trading and market participation. Many DeFi protocols and decentralized exchanges use stablecoins as the base currency for their trading pairs, providing a stable reference point for traders. Also, stablecoins are commonly used as collateral for lending and borrowing, yield farming, and liquidity provision within DeFi. Stablecoins are a big part of the entire DeFi ecosystem. Stablecoins face some challenges, including regulatory uncertainty, centralization, collateral and liquidity risks, transparency and auditability, and cross-border transaction complexities. Despite these challenges, stablecoins continue to play a vital role in the cryptocurrency and DeFi ecosystems. Projects are actively working to address these issues and improve the resilience and stability of stablecoin offerings. In the next module, we'll explore a core DeFi use case: decentralized borrowing and lending.